Selling online used to be complicated, but TikTok Shop is changing the game. It has become one of the best platforms to sell any physical products online. It gives you the potential to reach thousands of new buyers instantly. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up to sell on TikTok Shop so you can start making sales fast. Now, if you're not sure what TikTok Shop is, let me show you. When you're scrolling through TikTok, you'll see some videos with a product link to it at the bottom, like this one. If someone's interested in the product, they can just tap the link, go to the product page, and then can purchase in just a few clicks. Prior to this, if you want to link a product in your video for people to buy, it was a hassle. You would have to send them to a different browser, and most people will fall off in that process because there were just too many steps. But with TikTok Shop, it lets people buy right inside the app. The entire process is seamless. It's a better experience for buyers, so the conversion rate is so much higher. So how do you set this up? It's a simple two-steps process. The first step is to register for a TikTok Shop for seller account. And then the second step is to set up an online store so that you can connect it with the TikTok Shop. The platform that I use and recommend is Shopify. I will guide you through the entire setup process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to make your first sale. So let's get right into it. So let's go to the first link in the description listed below, and when you use it, it will directly take you to this page. When you're on this page, you can click on one of the options that applies to you. I would just go with I'm completely new to selling. Enter your phone number or email. Click continue. And then enter your verification code. Set your password. Click continue. And you'll be taken to this page. Then next you can choose the type of business that you have, whether it's an individual, partnership, or corporation. Since I have an LLC, then I would just go with corporation. Next is to enter your business name and business address. And then scroll down and enter the option that applies to you. And also enter your EIN, which is your employee identification number. Click on next. Enter your name, date of birth, and residential address. And I do recommend you to upload a proof of address document, as that will help you increase your chance of application approval. We can scroll down, enter your social security number, and answer the rest of the question. And then click next. So next we are going to enter our shop's name. So this will be the name that will display in your store, and you can change it later if you want. You can also add your shop logo, scroll down, and we are going to select the category that best describes your product that you sell. So keep in mind that this won't affect your future business and will be used only for registration purposes. So just choose the best category that best describes your product. Enter your phone number, and you will need to verify it. And when you're done, click submit. And you want to confirm all your information to be accurate. And after you double check, you can click on submit. And then you'll see that your shop is under review. You'll see that they'll say it takes 1 to 3 days to process your application, but in my experience setting up multiple stores, it doesn't take that long. So for this particular store, in about 15 minutes, I received the email saying that it's approved. So you can pay attention to your email. Once your store is approved, you will get a notification email. When you log back into your account, you should see this saying that your application was approved. And then here you can fill out your shipping and returns address information. So this will be the address that you will be shipping the products from, and also the address that you will accept returns. When you're done, click on submit. Alright, so the next step, let's click on add products, and then click on sync with your online store. And let's click on TikTok for Shopify app. And this is the app that we can install. Click on install. Click on install again. And it will direct you to log into your Shopify's account. If you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, which is the online store platform that we are going to use, you'll find the best current deal linked in the description. When you use that link, it will take you to this page where you'll get a 3 days free trial and only $1 per month for the next 3 months, which is the best deal going on right now. Enter your email address to get started. Follow the prompts to create your account, and then you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Let's come back to the Shopify App Store and search for the TikTok app and click on install. Click on install. Go to the bottom and click on setup now. Click on connect account and log into your TikTok account. And then you should see here that it's connected. So now you can manage your TikTok shop right inside of your Shopify store. So let's pin the TikTok app to your navigation. so we can access it easily. So next, let's come back to the TikTok Shop Seller Center and we can finish setting up our account. Let's come to click on Add Tax Information. So on this page, you would just need to fill out your basic information and your tax classification that applies to you, as well as your EIN. You can preview your W-9 form here. If everything looks good, click on OK. Check the checkboxes and then click on Submit. Sign your name and then click on Submit. And we're done with the tax information. Next, we are going to connect our TikTok seller account to our regular TikTok account. So let's come to click on Link Account. And then we can click on Link Official Account. So before you connect your account, I would recommend you to at least create a new email and also create a new TikTok account for this new business that you're starting. It just makes everything so much more organized. So I've gone ahead to create a new email and also my brand new TikTok account for this business. And when you're done with that, let's come back to the Seller Center. Let's click on Link Official Account. And let's log into your TikTok account on your phone and go to your home page and click on these 3 lines on the upper right. Click on My QR Code and then click on this icon. And you'll be able to scan the QR code on your computer screen. And when you scan it, you may get this error in your first time. It's very common. It says, this TikTok account has not completed the identity verification. So let me show you how to fix it. It's very simple. So what we're going to do next is click on Learn More, and then it will take you to the instructions page. Let's scroll down and stop where it says Seller To Do. And you also see like a big QR code here. So let's go back to your phone, go to the 3 lines, and then My QR Code. Click the icon on the upper right again so you can scan the code and go ahead to scan this QR code. And they will take you to the identity verification form. So all you got to do is to fill out your basic information. And when you're done, just scroll down and click on Proceed to Review. Confirm your information is accurate and click on Submit. And after you submit your information, you should see this message: Identity verification successful. Congratulations, you can now promote products from TikTok Shop. Click on Got It. All right, so let's come back to the TikTok Shop Seller Center and let's try again to link the account, just like how we did it before in the first time. So let's click on Link Account, Link Official Account, and then go to My QR Code. Click on this icon and then scan the QR code. Click on Continue and then check the checkboxes. Click on Link This Account. And then you should see congratulations, your TikTok account is linked. So that's how you correctly link your account between the TikTok Shop Seller Center and your regular TikTok account, or it's called Official TikTok Account. Click on Got It. And this is what you'll see. You'll see your TikTok Shop Seller account here and your regular TikTok account here. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and I hope to see you in the next one.